motorcycle trip through Italy can be an incredibly rewarding and unforgettable experience for many reasons. It's important to be aware of some potential challenges. Traveling alone can be riskier, especially if you encounter unforeseen challenges like accidents, mechanical issues with your motorcycle, or health concerns. Have a contingency plan for emergencies, including breakdowns, accidents, or health issues. Know the local emergency number and the local of the nearest hospitals. While many Italians in tourist areas speak some English, it can be helpful to learn basic phrases to communicate more effectively. Solo navigation, especially in unfamiliar area, can be challenging. Having a reliable GPS or map and being prepared for unexpected detour or road closures is essential. Plan your budget carefully, accounting for fuel, accommodations, food, and any unexpected expenses. Keep some emergency funds on hand. Planning the route, accommodations, and activity can help ensure a smooth and enjoyable trip. Sometimes, if you don't book some museums and very important and popular attractions in advance, you won't be able to visit them. Italy boasts a diverse range of landscapes, from the dramatic coastline of the Amalfi Coast to the rolling hills of Tuscany and the majestic Dolomite Mountains in the north. Italy is home to numerous historic cities and landmarks, including Rome, Florence, Venice, and Pompeii. Exploring these cultural treasures on two wheels allows you to immerse yourself in the country's history and architecture. Italian food is renowned worldwide, and there is nothing quite like enjoying authentic pizza, pasta, gelato, and espresso in their country of origin. Motorcycle trip give you the flexibility to stop at local trattorias and roadside cafes to savor and flavor of Italy. Italians are known for their warm and friendly hospitality. You're likely to encounter welcoming locals who are eager to share their culture and tradition with you. Italy has a strong motorcycle culture, with many enthusiasts and well-maintained roads. You'll likely meet fellow riders along the way and have the opportunity to share experience and recommendations. Traveling alone by motorcycle through Italy can be a thrilling adventure, but it's not without its risk. To minimize these risks and maximize your enjoyment, it's crucial to plan carefully, prioritize safety, and be prepared for unexpected challenges.